Hi, I'm Captain Chris with another tip of the day. This is a raw water pump that's usually bolted onto your engine, your propulsion engine or your generator engine. And you can see inside that we've got a rubber impeller, and you can see how the vanes are bent down a little bit here at the bottom. It's called a cam, and that's purposely bending these rubber vanes to make them a self-priming pump. The purpose of this pump is to suck the water up from under the boat that the boat's floating in, and it'll suck it in one of these and pump it out the other one, and then it will go to the different heat exchangers around the engine, cooling the antifreeze, the oil, the diesel fuel return, the turbocharger, and of course the transmission. So if you want to learn how to change this, and it's easy to do, you can come to our classes here on Vero Beach. We have an Introduction to Boat Systems class, one scheduled in September, another scheduled in October 2023. We'll teach you how easy it is for you to change these and learn to do it yourself. If you've got any questions about raw water pumps or any other systems on board your boat that is a do-it-yourself maintenance item, ask Captain Chris.